Good morning, everyone. This is AppleMartiniNYC, also known as Juicy Martini NYC. I am on a new coffee journey thanks to Santa Claus, who got me the real coffee beans from Peru. I have not had any of my Maxwell House instant coffee since, so I'm still gonna drink it once in a while. But I've been using my Mr. Coffee Maker, and now that I got the coffee grinder from Amazon, that's the brand, I thought it wasn't working because the plug seemed to not work, but it was the outlet. The little thingy popped out, so once I pushed it in, it was fine. I got current, so I put some beans in there and we'll see how this works. It might be loud. Maybe I should, move it a little bit. So let's see. Here goes nothing. Uh-oh. It's not working again. Maybe I put too much stuff in it. Okay, hold on. Let me remove some because I was ready in the event that I put too much beans. Okay, that's too little, but okay, we'll see. And apparently it has to lock a certain way, which I didn't do it the right way. So let's see. It's supposed to be some child lock. Apparently 55-year-old can't lock it either. All right, take two. Nope, it's not working again. Oh, great. I don't know what's going on. This might be a blooper video. Okay, let's see. Nope, let me check the plug. Plug is fine. Alright, I guess let me put a little more. Because I pressed it and I heard it make noise and it has a little bit of powder in there. So let's see. Nope. Alright. It's still open. So let's see here. It's this way. I read the directions. It's not hard to close the lid. So I don't know what the issue is. Let me try this cord. Maybe the cord is messed up. I don't know. But it was fine. And it doesn't have another power button anywhere. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me try both hands. Give me a second. Nope. Okay, so let me put it this way. I just heard it earlier. It did something. Dang it. Technology, what I tell you. Let me take a little bit more out. I didn't put that much in. Look. I don't know if you can see. I have bad lighting. It's plugged in. The lid is on. It won't open. Flip it this way and see. This is hard to do without any help. Okay. Woo! Jesus, take the wheel. Still see some. No, I don't. Okay, let's add some more. 1 second, I'm adding more. I'm putting a little bit at a time because I don't want to break it since I just got it today. Alright, let's make sure the lid is right. And here we go again. Any more rattling, so I guess that's it. I mean, I was using my blender, but I don't want my blender to taste like coffee, Alright, so let's see how it looks. Let me get a glass jar. Oh, we're gonna use a Coca-Cola just to see. Ding. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, there's still some in there. So they give you this little spoon, which, where did I put it? Of course, I lost the spoon. What else is new? This is what happens when I'm not caffeinated. Everything goes cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, and I don't want to put my finger in there. So, let me get a spatula. Move it around some. Okay. Thank you, spatula. Okay, here we go. You would think it'd be easier to come out because it's powder, but it's like all the way down there. Alright, well, I'll get used to my grinder for coffee. I know the spoon and the little, it has like a little brush and that helps. So, there we go. Okay, there's more in there, but you get the idea. This is how much I have so far. Thank you. Bye.